My name is Simi. I married a man without really knowing him. If I had known the truth, I would never have said yes. At first, he looked like a wonderful man, but later I realized how wrong I was. It started at my friend's wedding. The hall was full of music and laughter. People were dancing, eating, and smiling. I was enjoying myself with my friends. Then I noticed a man. He was tall and handsome. He stood alone, watching me. He looked at me often, but he didn't say anything. He didn't come to talk to me. During the wedding, I danced and smiled a lot. He didn't dance. He didn't talk to anyone. He just looked at me from far away. 2 days later, I got a message on my phone. "Hi, I saw you at the wedding. Can we talk?" I was surprised. "Who is this?" I asked. "I'm the man from the wedding." He wrote back, "You looked beautiful. I want to know you." I didn't know what to say, but I was curious. So I replied. We started texting. His name was Amir. He was polite and kind. He said, "You are special. I like you very much." For 2 days, we kept talking. On the 3rd day, he said something shocking. "I want to marry you. I see you as my wife, the mother of my children." I was surprised. "But we don't even know each other," I told him. "I know you are the one for me." He said, "Please say yes. I will make you happy." His words touched my heart. I believed him. I said yes. Our wedding happened quickly. It was small. Only family and close friends came. I wore a white dress. He wore a suit. He looked happy, and I thought I had found the perfect man. At first, everything was beautiful. He was sweet and caring. He gave me gifts and said lovely words. I felt lucky. But 1 month later, things began to change. One day, I saw him smiling at his phone. "Who are you texting?" I asked. "Just a friend," he answered quickly. Then he hid his phone. I trusted him, so I didn't ask more. Years passed. We had 2 children, a boy and a girl. I thought we were a happy family. But he started coming home late. He said he was busy at work. He stopped spending time with me. He never let me touch his phone. One night, he forgot his phone on the table. He went to another room. I picked it up. My hands were shaking. I opened his messages. What I saw broke my heart. He was texting another woman. He called her my love and my everything. He never said those words to me. He bought her gifts. He took her out. There were pictures of them together. I was shocked when I saw who she was. I knew her. She was from my own village. She wasn't even younger or more beautiful than me. She was older than him and had 3 children. Her husband worked abroad. The worst part, he had been with her even before our marriage. Even after we married, he still went to see her. Sometimes he didn't come home. For 3 or 4 days, he was with her. He gave her money. He even took her kids shopping. When he came home, I showed him his phone. "What is this?" I cried. He looked shocked. "I'm sorry." He said, "I made a mistake." "A mistake," I shouted. You lied to me. You promised to love me, but you were with her all this time. He begged me. Please forgive me. It won't happen again. Give me another chance. I felt lost. I hated him, but I didn't know what to do. My heart was broken. I felt like I was trapped in a prison. I took my children and left. I stayed with my parents for 1 month. At first, I didn't tell them. But finally, I had to. They didn't believe me. They said, "You have children. Forgive him. Maybe he will change." He came again, asking for forgiveness. For the sake of my children, I gave him another chance. But inside, I had no feelings for him anymore. 2 months later, it started again. More texts, more lies. I even saw them together in his car. And every evening, he came home with sweet words. "You are the best wife. You are my angel. Please forgive me." I realized then he would never change. So I made a decision. This time, I would not listen to anyone. I would listen to my heart. I wanted a new life. I wanted peace. I divorced him. I freed myself from lies and betrayal. After I divorced him, life was not easy. I was alone with 2 children. I cried many nights, but slowly, I became stronger. I found a job in the city. At first, the work was hard. I had to wake up early and travel far. But the job gave me money and freedom. I started saving little by little. My children stayed with me. I wanted them to have a better life. Amir still disturbed my life. He often came to my house with excuses. Every time, he destroyed my peace. At last, I made a decision. I would go abroad. I wanted a new start. But I could not take my children with me. I asked my parents to care for them. They agreed. With a heavy heart, I left. In a new country, I found a job. I started a new life. Everything was strange, but I was free. I miss my children every day. My heart aches for them, but I work hard. I save money. I dream of the day I can bring them to live with me. I know it will not be easy, but I am strong. For my children, I will do everything. Dear friends, if you enjoyed this video, if you learned new words, please give it a like and subscribe, and give me the energy to keep going.